All right, so here's the part 2 of my peanut butter endeavor. And the reason why I made it is I'm gonna make me a kind of a fig Newton. You know those fig Newtons that you buy at the store? This is kind of an alternative because fig Newtons, they're great, but they're not exactly healthy. But this is like something that really will satisfy your need for figs. So this is an English muffin, it's whole wheat. Okay, English muffin, I get these from Safeway, or you can get them any grocery store. Make sure you can get any one you want. This is 100% whole wheat. And the first ingredient is exactly that, whole wheat. And it's very good. So I like to use this, and that's kind of like the cookie portion of the fig Newton. And then I have these dried figs that I found at the store as well. And these are actually quite expensive, but they last a good long time, as long as you don't devour them and whatnot. So I'm gonna take this, and I have already my pre-calculated amount of figs I actually want to use, and that's going to be about 20 grams. So I grab one of these figs. Here we go. That's what it looks like. I'm going to switch to grams here, and I'm just going to go ahead and kind of tear one of these up. Now these are dried, but we're gonna kind of moisten these up a little bit to make them just like the fig Newtons. That's about 18 grams, so that's pretty close. I think I'm just gonna call that what I want. Now, that's just me. You can add as many figs as you want to the sandwich. It's really up to you. I'm only doing this because it's how much I'm restricted to as far as calories. Now all I have to do is take this, put it in here like that, and I'm gonna put this in the microwave for about 30 seconds, and it's gonna make a nice hot sandwich. And it's the microwave is gonna make it so that's all nice and moist in the middle. Now you can do whatever you want. You can eat this as is, or you can maybe put the English muffin in a toaster oven and then put the fig together, whatever you want to do. But this is the way I like to do it. Just stick it in the microwave, make it nice and soft and chewy and whatever, and then it'll be really delicious. Now the peanut butter part of it, you can put the peanut butter in there if you want after you heat it up, but I like to dip my peanut butter. I like to dip it into the peanut butter, so this is what we're gonna do. Put that for 30 seconds, and I have a little dippy cup here, and I am gonna put half a serving of peanut butter into my little dippy cup. And half a serving is about 14 grams for me, because one serving is 28 grams of peanuts. And I am super strict on how much I can eat right now. Of course, you don't have to be. I'm just doing this for my diet. 14.7 is close enough. I am good with that. All right. Now the microwave is done. So this peanut butter goes in the refrigerator and it stays for I think like about a week. But this will definitely be done by then. All right, sandwich is ready. And that's it. I take this, break it apart, dip it in there. And you know what? It's also coffee time, because this goes perfectly with coffee. And I have this little French press here that I like to use. It's my favorite thing to use. Just go ahead and press coffee down. Very easy. Nice strong coffee, very easy to clean. Very delicious coffee. All right, taste test. How about a taste test? Just go ahead and take this and kind of break it. Break it just like, oh yeah. Just like a little Fig Newton cookie thing, except it's nice and hot and delicious. You dip it into the peanut butter, and there you go. It's so delicious. It's so delicious, nutritious, and I could eat 100 of these. I wish I could, but I can't. Definitely an A+ snack. You really have to try this one. So peanut butter, made in a Vitamix cup, very easy to do. And a fig sandwich, peanut butter, best snack in the world. Have a nice day, because I'm going to enjoy this.